Tips for growing a beard, you guys. That's what we are going to talk about real quick. I've got a couple slides here that we'll talk about maybe some tips that you're not hearing, but maybe that you do need to hear. And you guys, let's just go right down the list here. In fact, I'm going to blow this up. Hey, you guys, just real quick. My name is Joe T, and I'm just a guy growing a beard, and I'm learning stuff along the way, and I'm bringing it back to you in this format, in this content, really just a push and play. I don't really do any editing or anything like that. Um, this is my content, and if you think you might like this, you guys, I'm just asking for you to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and I've got more stuff coming. All right, guys. In fact, I'm going to shrink myself down and blow you guys up here and give you this. You guys, let's just go down my bullet points here, okay? Let's go. Be patient. I know it's another duh, right? But be patient. And you guys, if I see a guy with a beard, I know that this guy is a relatively patient guy, right? Because he's got a beard. It's just letting it go sometimes. Don't do anything, don't trim it. Just um let your beard it's be patient. I mean, we're waiting for hair to grow. So it's like, that's worse than watching paint dry, right? You guys, don't be so hard on yourself. And what I mean by that is, in beard envy, you're seeing a guy, oh man, I wish I had that beard. His beard's better than mine. I got patches and I don't want to grow mine. I'm going to shave mine off and all. Man, a lot of the stuff that you're fretting about on this beard is we don't even see it. We're not seeing what you're seeing on that. And just grow the beard, keep going. Don't be so hard on yourself. It's crazy. Don't be so hard on yourself, guys. So, and let's go to the next bullet point. If you're growing for length, stop trimming. It's a duh, right? But really, a lot of guys will ask, "Hey, how can I get my beard to get longer?" And I said, "Well, when was the last time you trimmed?" "Oh, well, I trimmed, a couple days." Well, you can't trim a couple days ago if you want length, you guys. So if you're growing for length, stop the trimming, right? The next bullet point, it gets better with age. Yeah, I mean, I think it's just like probably everything that's good in life, right? Gets better with age. So yeah, you guys, I mean, look at my picture here over here when I'm 20 to 21 years old. And no, I could not grow any hair under that lip at all. And in fact, that was the thing that I hated about my beard at that time. And I think a lot of guys do. I didn't know at the time that you guys, that's a common thing. I even had people make comments that, hey, that ain't a beard. You can't even grow, hair underneath your lips. So, uh, but man, I actually think I have way decent looking beard. So you guys do not let these patches stop you from growing. And yes, will it get better with age? I think it will. Yeah, I really do. If you take the time and let it grow and out and age, I think age got a lot to do with it. So yeah, I do think it gets better. You guys, another thing, just real quick here, a beard can become a part of you, and yeah, that's actually probably even another whole video or a conversation of yeah, a beard becoming part of you, because I mean, I know a guy that grows a beard in November, shaves in March, and got a really decent beard and shaved it off. I'm like March or April, and it's like he shaves it off. I'm like, oh God, right? Um, but so I don't know if his beard's become part of him. Maybe it does. It's part of him through that for how he's doing it in those months that he's growing. But um, yeah, I mean, I don't know. I think yeah, my beard has definitely become part of me to where I mean, right now, I mean, I don't plan on doing anything with getting rid of it, right? So yeah, I think a beer can become part of you? Most definitely I do. So you guys, I do appreciate you being with me and all my new subscribers. I'm getting a lot of you guys from the short videos on YouTube. So hey, welcome to my channel, and I've got some more good stuff coming. I've got some lives coming, and you guys remember we can always communicate down into the comment section, and I do get. A lot of my content through my comments as well. So you guys, I got some good stuff coming. Subscribe if you haven't. If you haven't, why the hell not? Right? Hey, you guys, I'll see you soon.